In this video we're going to build a house, a castle, an auto racing scene and a mechanic shop. So let's get building! To build the house, let's start with this green base plate. For the floor of the house, let's use this light blue block and place it just there. To create the archway of the house, let's use these tall blue blocks and place one there and the other one on the left hand side. Now let's get our yellow archway and place it on the two supporting blocks. Now let's get the door to the house and place it on that light blue block. To keep the rain out, we need a roof. Let's use these red blocks for the roof. Let's place one there. Let's get a rectangle one and place it in the middle. And then another square one at the end. Now we need a block to divert the water down. Let's use this triangle one. And that's it, and that's our house complete. Well done! To build the castle, let's use this green base plate. Now let's get this blue rectangle block and place it on the left hand side right at the back. And another one right next to it. To build the archway of the castle, let's use this yellow block and place it on the right hand side at the back. Let's get another yellow post and place it there. Now let's add the castle door and place it on the left hand side. Time to get the archway block and place it on the posts. To keep the castle door dry, we're going to build an awning over it. Let's use this blue block with a curve on it and place it so it overhangs the door. Let's get the other one and place it right next to it. For the castle lookout, we're going to build a platform above the arch. Let's use this yellow piece with a curve on the bottom and then another one and place it right next to it. To finish off the roof above the castle door, let's use this blue cone piece. And to finish off the castle lookout, let's add this piece that looks like an E. Wow, that looks really cool. For some decoration, let's add this bucket in the archway. And this yellow flower too, and place it on the grass there. That's our castle finished, well done! Let's get our character and place him in the lookout. And we have to get our dog to come and play too. The dog can go into the castle door. To build our auto racing scene, let's start off with this white rectangled piece. For a post, let's use this blue tall block on the left hand side and another one on the right hand side. To extend the post, let's use these white blocks and place them on each blue block. Get this blue rectangled piece and place it on the two posts. For the top of the beam, let's use this blue block with a curve on it. And then let's get another one for the left hand side. To finish this structure off, let's use this block with the checkered pattern on. Now we need to build the podium. The podium is a platform that the winners of the race stand on. We need the number 3 for third place. And then the number 2 for the second place. And then the number 1 for first place. And that's our podium finished. Now let's add a cone. And every race needs a flag to signal. And look, the dog's gonna come and sit on the podium stand. Cheeky dog. And of course we need our race car and driver. And that's our auto race scene complete, well done! To build our mechanic shop, let's start off with this rectangled white piece for the foundation. Now we need a red block and place it on the left hand side. and then a rectangled red block and place it right next to it. For the walls of the shop, let's use these yellow tall blocks. For the side of the shop, let's use this block with the checkered pattern on. To keep the mechanic shop dry, we need to build a roof. We can use this piece for the beam. Now let's get our roof pieces and place them on top. To collect the old oil in the car, we need a bucket. Now let's build the car hoist. A car hoist lifts the car above the ground so the mechanic can work underneath it. Let's use the yellow base and these white pieces for the support. We need one on each side. Now we need to build something that holds the car. Let's use this red piece. And lastly, this red square piece. Now we can lift the car on the hoist. And that's our mechanic shop finished. Well done! Here comes the mechanic to work on the car. Thanks for building with me today. That's it for this episode. Catch you next time.